Welcome back, everybody. We're here day 2 of practice, Bugg's Island. I have a partner today, Isaac. He was nice enough to link with me for the whole year, so I figure the right thing to do is take him out for a day of fishing while we're down here. He qualified for the regional championship also. He'll get some good practice in. What we did yesterday really didn't work, so we're going to switch it up today. I did find a nice school of fish offshore, and I know they're going to be there for the tournament, but they're small. We need big fish. So we're going to go around today, do some different stuff, and see what we can. Talk to you soon. No, because I didn't get there. My approach, I always start like 100 yards this side of the point,
yeah,
and then I go 100 yards on the other side, and you can see if they're here or not.
right. You'll know pretty quick. Where is he? You caught a few in what, 20 feet yesterday?
Yeah.
20, 25?
Yep, that's that 22-foot range. Look at all of that.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Did you catch anything yet?
What's that, bud?
Did you catch anything yet?
No, did
what
you?
the f***? This boat's a fucking mess. We got narrowed right down to 7 rods today.
What's that?
We're narrowed down to 7 rods today. Better than yesterday.
It's a little tube.
Little tube. You crack that fucker.
I just fished Bass Nation tournament last 2 weeks ago on the St. Lawrence out of Ogdensburg. That guy's caught a 9-pound smallmouth.
Really?
New state record.
Sweet.
I caught a 7.5 there last year, and I mean, I got a replica made. But I mean, the 9-pounder, dude, I saw it in person. It's the biggest smallmouth I've ever.
Really?
I think the record was like 8.6 last year that the guy caught in a tournament, and just massive fish out there.
I wish frickin' MLF would put in at Ogdensburg. That run from the sea.
Oh yeah, yeah it is. Well, he ran. The guy I was paired with did too, but we went all the way from Ogdensburg up into Alexandria and then into Lake Erie. So we ran a long way from
Really?
Ogdensburg. Yeah. You got a favorite place to fish?
I really like Kiel.
Yeah. Well, let me ask you this: if you had to choose, are you choosing largemouth or smallmouth?
That's a tough one. I love them both. Man, I don't know.
I guess it just kind of leans toward your style of fishing a little bit more.
I love flipping grass.
You're right at home on a Potomac.
Yeah, too bad I hate that.
Yes. I think so does everybody else.
Fucking hate it. You like them?
I have a lot of luck with them.
On a drop shot?
Down, I mean, that's all I catch fish on down on the Potomac. They'll chew this thing right up, man.
Really?
Yeah, they'll tear this up. what I caught all my fish on this year.
And you drop shot it.
And a drop shot, yeah.
What kind of hook do you use?
I use, I'll show you. I use these for everything.
Should have probably got this shit ready last night, but
What are you changing up every rod?
I was tired. I was sleepy.
You got a favorite way to catch them?
Oh, I love flipping and pitching.
Oh yeah, that's right.
That's why I wish they were in these bushes. I could put a beat down on them. Look at that shit.
Oh yeah,
That's what I like to see. Look out. First time I've seen that since I'm here. Catch him. Catch him. Just started. How do you feel about the live scope with being a co?
I mean, personally, you know, I got buddies that hate it, you know, and for me, I just tell them it gets you around more fish.
Well, and
you know,
that's
if you get a guy that's, you know, that's scoping 40 feet of water for one fish here,
right,
one fish there, it's tough.
Correct.
But, you know, if you get a guy that's on a school of fish, they could see him on the live scope.
You know you're in an area.
Your chances are better to
Right.
catch fish because you're in an area that they're there.
Okay.
You know? So that's...
I wanted to make sure I wasn't the only one that had that philosophy.
I mean, I've fished behind guys that, you know, you're up on Champlain or something, 45 feet of water, and a guy's picking off one fish here, then he's going back, he's eating a sandwich, smoking a cigarette, you know, waiting for another fish to show up, and picks them off and then runs somewhere. It is tough, but, you know, most of the time, these guys aren't using it to find one fish.
Correct.
Or two fish, you know. And I think, you know, I've learned a lot from fishing out of the back of all different types of people's boats, you know, and you got to be able to adapt and change up what you do, you know, build confidence with other things. If you're around them, they'll bite. You got to figure out what they're going to bite.
Usually what I do is I tell my cows, I'm like, yeah, I'm going to use live scope, but it's for a school of fish, and I'll try to park the boat in a way that I could tell them, okay, the fish are out there.
Mm-hmm. And a lot of guys, they're good about, especially if they got 5 fish, they got 15, 20 pounds, you know, and, you know, they'll help you out the way, like you said, to your left or to your right, you know, we're over the top of them, you know, and most guys are pretty good about it.
You got that good. Reel down and knock her with the tip of your rod. And don't get bit by the spider. Because they have those man-eating spiders down there. They have spiders down here that'll chop your leg off. I hate spiders. I only saw one snake so far. They don't bother me as bad as spiders. I hate spiders. Hate them. It better stop raining at some fucking point.
Right.
I thought that was a fish. It was stuck.
There she is. Thank you. I'm the same way, boy. I'll put up with anything else. Cockroaches, mice, snakes. You throw a fucking spider in there, man, I'm fucking gone.
You have too many legs and too many eyes.
I do not like them at all.
Good one. Nah. Good one. Now that'll work. 5 of them on.
Yeah, we'll take those.
We'll take them.
Time you flipped into the right bush, huh?
Little Kitech jig. Nice one. See what he weighs. 213. We'll take that.
Yeah, 5 of them. Yeah, business.
Maybe that's a good sign. Man, I'm in the tree. What the fuck?
That on a tube? Going? Stop.
No. Number 2. Yeah, here's a spot. Nice little spot. And a half. That's good. Haven't been skunked since I'm here.
Yeah.
All right. Maybe the sun will have them moving around a little.
cold beer, and some pizza.
Pizza. I'm doing Chinese.
Chinese is good too if there's a good spot around.
Chinese is Chinese.
That's it.
Well, we can't say we didn't try.
Yeah, we gave him hell, man. That's all you can do.
You gotta get the truck. You're all right.
Not too bad.
All right for a white guy.
Can you see your trailer when you back down?
From
When you back it down? I'm not a mirror guy, so if I have to, I'm gonna pop your tailgate.
oh yeah, that's fine. Whatever you need to do.
I got a 18 foot ski ball, and my buddy always laughs at me because I'm not a mirror guy. I can't, for whatever reason, I pop.
You gotta get the truck. You're all right.
Not too bad.
All right for a white guy.
Can you see your trailer when you back down?
From
When you back it down? I'm not a mirror guy, so if I have to, I'm gonna pop your tailgate.
oh yeah, that's fine. Whatever you need to do.
I got a 18 foot ski ball, and my buddy always laughs at me because I'm not a mirror guy. I can't, for whatever reason, I pop my tailgate down, I can get in nice and easy.